our house is finally completed inside and out. It is on the market, and today we have an open house on this beautiful Sunday. But before that, I'm gonna take you in and show you some of the befores and afters of what we did in this amazing house and some of the designs and ideas that I had. So let's go check it out, come on. Home sweet home. As soon as you walk inside, I wanted it to be like, boom, open concept. All right, because everybody loves open concept. Because this house, when we got it, there was a wall that went this way and a wall that went that way. And actually where I'm standing now was where a stove was, and to my right is where a sink was. So all the stuff was right here. So people were segregated to different places of the house, and I wanted to get rid of that. So right when you walk in, the first thing that you walk into is the kitchen. Let's talk about this kitchen. It is the centerpiece of this house, and everything revolves around it. My style of design is beachy modern. So everything I do has this beachy modern feel. One thing that I was like thinking of when I was designing this kitchen was how would it look in King Triton and Ariel the Little Mermaid's kitchen. And so we came up with this. Found these beautiful pendant lights. We went with brushed brass on everything hardware, on the faucet. And if you notice throughout the house, there's bulbs. To me, those represents the bubbles under the sink. The style of tile on the backsplash we went with is called herringbone. And the color of the tile is resounding rose. It's a beautiful pink that just popped. We matched it up with Cloverfield green, and the two colors just, to me, went great. You're not missing anything that's going on. You're connected to everybody. And that's what it's about. This home is where we have our families and where we have our events, and this is what we do. This is where we do our life. Let's go check out the master bedroom and the master bath. But before we get there, we're gonna make a quick stop at the main bathroom. These bathrooms are awesome. So let's go check them out. Not only are your guests gonna be impressed when they walk into the house and see the kitchen, the living room, and the dining and the sunroom, it trickles down the hallway and they end up here in the bathroom. So your guests are just gonna be, wow, this is awesome. Here we are in the master bedroom, and some of the cool features is the can lighting and this beautiful fan. So the fan, if you look, it is black and gold, and that mirrors the design that we did in the bathroom here. One of the cool features of this bathroom is this shower. I went with a navy blue tile, and the style we went with is just modern and sleek and sharp, but we went with the herringbone tile in the floor here, as you see, and black hardware. We went with this really beautiful marble tile here in the floor. And if you notice the vanity lights and the hardware on the vanity, it has black and gold that matches the fan in the master bedroom. So everything kind of parallels and connects. The home is where we celebrate, where we live our lives, where we spend our days with our family and friends. It should be a place where we're connecting. And when I took this house, it was just boxed in and segregated. It was not a happy place. It was not a place where you felt that, but now you do. And that's what I love. That's why I love what I do. And we are able to create something that the next generation, whoever buys this, will have a place where they can create life and be connected. That's why I love what I do.